Alright, good morning. Welcome back to another video. And for today, we're going to talk about something that we've already just recently done to our Tahoe, and that is window tints. So the rear window and on back have been tinted already, and so has the sunroof from factory, leaving the driver and passenger and windshield just clear. So we had to go ahead and match everything else. So it was a 15% tint, so we did 15% on the driver, passenger, and also on the window shield. We live here in Florida, definitely need tint down here. Multiple reasons, right? Keeps you cool, serves as security, and when people ain't look inside your car, and thirdly, protection as well. So there is leather in here, so it's gonna upkeep our leather interior just a little bit longer. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, because appearance wise, knocks it out of the park as well. So again, yeah, we just matched the front with the rear at 15%, so that is what you are looking at. And then we also did the windshield as well. So the windshield is at 15%. Did drive the car last night about an hour and a half from Orlando to where we live, and still did pretty well at night. I was able to see everything, so that was only one concern I probably could have had, but we had the tinted windows on our Blazer and that was okay. The lights on these Tahoes are magnificent, so the windshield really didn't bother us much. But yeah, here is the tinted windows of our 2023 Tahoe. Came out pretty good. As you can see, there's the sun blaring, and it's doing its job pretty well. Not tinted, tinted, and again, this is 15% to match the rest of the car. But there you have it. Count it as a mod, don't count it as a mod, but it's something done to the car, and as always, I'm going to document pretty much everything I do to these things. Just like my Lancer, just like the Insight, I'm going to do the same thing with this Tahoe. So yeah, first things done was that window tint. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns in regards to the tint or whatever, leave a comment down below and I would address them as always. And if you're new to the channel or have a Tahoe, consider subscribing, because there's more stuff coming. So other than that, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.